Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today, we're doing something a little special. We are celebrating this one's 8th birthday, and they don't know where we're going. Today, we are going to spend the day and the night at Great Wolf Lodge. Come with us today as we go on this adventure.
Great Wolf Lodge!
We made it!
We made it! It's my sister's birthday today! I got the top bun.
Alright.
Ella got the bottom bun. This is her. And
Through the cabin. There's mom and dad. And alright, we're gonna go back downstairs and meet the wolf. This is gonna be fun. This is way bigger than what I expected.
I'm so excited.
Let's see it.
There's even little ears that have a birthday.
Alright, you got the birthday package. What do you get?
I got these birthday ears, and I got this birthday wolf.
That thing's cute.
I got this cup. There's a card for it. It says it's a birthday celebration, one small candy cup. And it has a lid and a sticker.
One small candy cup.
And I have this, the Great Wolf Pack activity book.
Oh, that's awesome.
And happy birthday on the back.
Uh-huh.
And this is the back with a badge.
A clear bag with the happy
And
birthday.
I have this necklace.
Awesome.
Oh, imagine it's swiped around. Oh my gosh, it's a big one.
Okay, so we've been doing the water park for about an hour now. What do you think of the water park here?
It's like fun. I just love the blue one. It went like so fast. I loved it.
You like the ones where you go by yourself, or do you like the family ones that we've done?
The family ones and the ones I go by myself.
You've gone on some pretty big ones. Are you scared at all?
Not even.
Not even a little bit. What's your favorite one so far?
Probably the blue one.
The blue single one, right? By yourself? You're a brave girl. That's what happens when you turn 8, huh?
I made a badge.
So it is dinner time right now at Great Wolf Lodge, and we were recommended to go to Costco. That's right next door to Great Wolf Lodge, and just grab pizza. We grabbed some salad, we grabbed some cookies, and then we all got ice cream too for like, I think it was like $30 or something like that. So definitely worth it. It was just down the road. Sorry, my daughter just threw a thing at me. So it's just literally right around the corner.
So we just learned that the water park is open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's about 6:30 right now, so we're gonna go back to the water park a little bit.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Having fun so far? Yeah?
What's that? Welcome to every mile.
So far today, we've really had a good time. It's fun coming out here at night, checking out the Great Wolf and seeing the lights out here. It's a beautiful, beautiful night. We're here on an off-season night and the crowds are very small. We are very lucky with the time that we came. All the workers here tell us we picked a good time. We are here in mid-January. And man, it's been a great trip so far. We're gonna have a family dance party tonight at 9 o'clock, and then it'll be bedtime, and tomorrow will be full of more water slides and adventures. So let's keep it going. Hi. We are extra tired right now. It's been a busy, fun, exciting day. What's been your favorite part of your birthday celebration so far?
I think my favorite is the water park.
The water parks are fun, huh? What about your little stuffy?
I like him too.
You're a cute little guy, huh? And then we got another one for her sister. Cute little things. This is fun. I'm ready for bed though.
Happy birthday, Wolf Cubs. Let's start this dance now by pumping and waving to the side. Pump and wave, pump and wave, pump and wave. 3, 2, 1, switch. Hands down. Best dance moves.
So where are we going this morning?
We're going to do yoga, morning yoga.
Morning yoga. We'll see how it is.
Beautiful. Next up, we have our eagle pose.
All right, my friends, let's flap our arms like eagles and go in a circle.
Good. Next up, we're going to go into
Friends, we are going to face me, but I'm going to face our feet together and let's pretend that we're hands are shovels and ding, ding, ding.
All right, the girls just finished yoga tails. What'd you guys
It was awesome. It was cool.
think? How you doing, birthday girl?
Good.
You having fun?
Uh-huh.
All right, what's up next?
Crafts. Arts and crafts.
We're gonna meet one of the wolves. I think it's Violet.
Violet. I love, she loves Violet because Violet is
All right, see you guys soon.
Okay, so one of the things that I think is super cool with staying here at Great Wolf Lodge is everybody's given one of these wristbands. Everybody is, all the whole family. And this is what gets you into the water park. This is what gets you into the adventure park when you pay for it, all that. But it's also your room key. It's also a you put your credit card on there. You can do entrance in and out of the parking lot. That's all on this bracelet. You just scan in and out. I think that's super cool because then the kids can go into the room. Everybody has a key. You don't have to worry, oh, do I have my keys? Do I have my card? Do I have my, it's all right there. So I think that's super cool. So I did want to point that out, that these bracelets are pretty awesome.
Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to do that? Big smile. Oh my goodness.
I'm decorating ears. We're making wolf headbands. These are headbands.
Okay, what did you guys make at Arts and Crafts today?
We made wolf ears.
Love them.
The crowds are so small that we're taking a break because we went on one of the water slides over and over and over and over, and we got tired. So we were like, let's take a little break, catch our breath, and then we can go back in line because it's great right now. Great time to come.
All right, we are back in the car. We're gonna find out what the kids' favorite part of the Great Wolf Lodge is.
My favorite was the water park.
My favorite was the water park.
My favorite was the crafts.
All right.
And that is the end of our time here at Great Wolf Lodge. Happy birthday, Mad Dog. Thanks for coming with us on this adventure, and we'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.